Well, hello everybody. This is Rebel Scoutmaster. I am still around here on the beach. This will be, I think, my first video of 2025. So let's go see what kind of fun we can find. If there's anything fun to find. So, 2025. Lots happened already this year. We had 8 inches of snow on the beach right here, South Mississippi. It's been since like 1962 since that happened. Kind of strange weather down here for sure. It's good to be out. It's a middle of March. Azaleas are blooming, trees are popping out. Just 2 months ago we had, like I said, 8 inches of snow on the ground on the beach. Pretty crazy. If any of you guys have not seen any of my videos before, go check those out. I'm sure I have had a couple of videos where I've ridden down the beach before, kind of explained the history and all that of the area that I'm in. But there's also, I don't know if I've ever mentioned Cruising the Coast, which is the first weekend in October every year. They got over 10,000 classic cars that ride up and down the beach. A lot of fun. They have different concerts and different things that they can go to. Really good for tourism down here at a real slow time of the year. So if you're anywhere near this, it's worth checking out. If you have a classic car, look it up. Stop the video now, go look up Cruising the Coast on the YouTubes and check it out. It's pretty intense. They got flame-throwing competitions, burnout competitions, parades, hot meets, concerts, all across the 22.5 miles of beach. So yeah, it's 2025. I'm not gone, just haven't had any time or any decent weather to make a decent video. But being busy, working as much as I do, it's kind of hard to make videos as much as I had hoped that I would be able to. A nice warm Sunday afternoon, riding down the beach. I had posted some pictures on Instagram, if you don't follow me on that, also Rebel Scoutmaster, down in Biloxi at the Fred Hayes statue, I guess, because he was from Biloxi. I've been trying to keep a little bit active on Instagram just because I haven't been able to post anything on the YouTube. So hadn't really done anything new to the bike recently as far as upgrades or anything like that goes. Pretty much have it set up how I like it right for the moment. I think the only thing I would really want to change is going to be some handlebars. I think I want to get some 10-inch mini apes. Certainly are quite a bit cheaper from Indian because they're a factory bike handlebar. And who knows, they may have some laying around that they don't even want. I need to make a trip to the nearest Indian dealer, which is about 65 miles away, to see if they have any in stock or if they have any that they can sell me. This is the day after all of the terrible, terrible weather that came across the country and a bunch of tornadoes. So a lot of this sand, which I was kind of afraid of, is on the highway. I got to be careful about that because we had like 60, 70 mile an hour winds from the south, which is quite a lot. So I got to watch out for that. Anyway, catch up with you guys in a bit. All right, well, made a little adjustments here on my microphone so we can continue on. So funny story, actually, these are my old gloves that I wore when I had my Rebel. My son needed gloves in the snow when he was playing in the snow, and now I'm pretty sure he's lost them because I don't have any idea where those gloves are. Fantastic, right? Nothing like your kid losing a $50 pair of motorcycle gloves. Now and then, as I'm going down the road here, you might see a sculpture in the median. And it could look like a bird or a dolphin or a porpoise or some other kind of fish, or it could be anything. So after Hurricane Katrina in 2005, there was an artist or a sculptor who came down. It wasn't local, but he came down here, and a lot of the trees in the median were completely destroyed, which doesn't look like it now, but that's been 20 years ago now. Sheesh. So he came down and sculpted a lot of these into, into a sculpture of some kind. And they're just interspersed all down the beach. Usually all in the median. So let's see if we can find one of those now. I'm pretty sure there's one down here. The guy's done a bunch of them, so I just wish that somebody would come and care for them, because I'm afraid at some point those are just going to rot away unless they're sealed or varnished or something. I don't know what the right term is. I'm not a woodworker. Well, I know there's some around here, just not seeing any. So yeah, where was I? Weather? Car right on my ass? Yep. Let's not do that, guy. Really appreciate that. Got a lot of sand across the road right here. Not a big fan of riding in the sandstorm. I don't know about y'all, but that just looks incredibly uncomfortable. Nice shorts. Somebody else riding an Indian. Well, I guess I'll cut this video off here. It was just a quick update for you guys, just to let you guys know I was still around. So if you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button if you would. I'd appreciate it. And I will see you guys on the next one. Peace!